your name? That's what. No, your real name. Oh, like Rick from The Walking Dead. Let's get started. Why am I so slow motion? What the hell are you doing? Is anyone liking me? Okay, we're safe. What the? Oh. Grenade! Just like, still walk so slow. Why is this guy shooting at us? Furry Nissan 240 _ SX. Let's go. Hey, follow me, okay? You follow me. You follow me. Follow me. Why are you shooting at me? Follow. Watch out! Oh.
You go over shooting at him?
Oh, I see a bad guy. I see someone. Stop it. Oh, shit. Oh. Holy crap.
Is he moving slow too? Belly?
No! No! Ah! Hurry up and walk. The belly. Ooh, someone tried shooting.
Can I try, please?
What the?
Can I play and you could talk, please?
Does any of you guys cuss? Does any of you guys cuss? I do too.
Like, can I play for you, please? And you can talk to him, please. Please.
I'm gonna let my brother. I'm gonna let my brother.
You
play
could
for a
talk.
moment.
You could talk.